Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tell if someone blocked you on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have a Facebook application on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow these tutorial steps. So as you can see here, that will actually be your home or main screen after opening the Facebook applications. Here the post will appear to you of the pages that you're interested on or even joined. So that's not important for today's video. So if you want actually to tell if someone blocked you, try searching the person name of Facebook by typing their name into the search bar at the top of the page. As you can see here, at the top right corner, we have like a scoop, or it's on the right of the plus icon. Of course, it's an icon. Just go and click on that, and here at the search, try to search for the name of the person. So let me just go here and search for like something random here maybe. So as you can see here, as an example, I find this person. So if you know that their profile has not been deleted and the friend no longer appears, or you receive the message stating that the content is not available, they have likely blocked or unfriended you. But make sure if you didn't find the page, or they are telling you the content is not available for you, or even you can't receive or send messages to him, or he's not even appearing here in the search, make sure that this user has, of course, blocked you. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.